screamed for help following a cascading sheet of snow in a scramble to find avalanche survivors.
Whoever spotted that snowboard sticking out, good job.
Rescuers using their bare hands, digging out snowboarder Evan Huck.
Looked back over my shoulder and saw about a 10-foot wall of snow barreling towards me at 60 or 70 miles an hour.
Huck was buried alive as the mountain crumbled.
So at that point, I just tried to kind of slow down my breathing and conserve air.
5 were swallowed by a wall of white at Northern California's Squaw Valley Ski Resort. Fortunately, everyone survived. But in Washington State, the mountains were deadly.
Okay, hike's over.
I'm shaking.
This avalanche caught on camera by those lucky to get out of the way in time.
Listen up.
Yeah.
The tracks of the people in front of us disappeared.
In just 1 week, 5 people have been killed in avalanches here. The state normally averages 5 deaths every 2 years. Police officer James Larson among the victims. Throughout the West, where whiteout conditions are still possible, the threat continues to rise as fast as the snow falls. Miguel Almaguer, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.